Are you ready to take control of your finances and transform them? It is a new year and the perfect time to start fresh and make positive changes. There is no better way to get a fresh start than creating a new budget for the upcoming year. Budgeting is an essential part of financial planning. It can help you make decisions about your money. It can also help you save money, reduce debt, and plan for the future. With a few simple steps, you can transform your finances and create a budgeting system that will get you feeling secure and financially stable. Start today by creating a new budget that works for you and take control of your future now. Here are some simple steps you can take to get started. Step 1. Analyze your current finances. It is the first step to becoming financially literate. It is essential to create a successful budget and plan for the future. It can be empowering. The more you understand your current situation, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions about how best to manage it. Start by taking an honest look at where you stand financially. What assets and liability do you have? Ensure each expense is accurate as it helps track overlooked items. Include any debts such as loans or credit card balances in your analysis. Once you understand what money is coming into your bank account every month, compare that with how much money is going out each month. Do you find yourself currently spending more than you make? Consider all expenses so you can understand your spending habits. Then, evaluate each item based on its importance. Some may be necessary for daily life, while others might be optional. Categorizing expenses will allow you to target ones that could eliminate if needed. Step 2. Set financial goals. When setting up goals, it is easy to get overwhelmed and unsure of where to start. You need to set short-term and long-term goals as they are critical for your financial future and mental health. To begin with, setting long-term goals are critical for success since they provide direction and motivation. Having a defined vision of what you want to achieve in the future will allow you to make decisions today that support getting there. It would be wise to take extra time to think carefully about your long-term financial plans. Consider what you want to achieve financially in 5 years to 10 years from now. Are you aiming to save for a home deposit or build enough investment capital for retirement? Consider what objectives are most important to you to prioritize accordingly. Creating an overall timeline for each long-term goal can also be beneficial as it allows you to see which one needs more attention or may need adjusting along the way. Once you set all the long-term goals, it is time to plan for the short-term ones to support each goal. It will be a great way to start taking control of your finances. These goals should be attainable within a year or two to help accomplish the longer-term objectives. If anything seems too overwhelming, consider breaking them into small chunks. Smaller, more achievable steps would allow you to see progress quickly and stay motivated. Have a plan that outlines each step needed to reach your desired outcome. It is essential to keep them realistic and measurable so that you feel a sense of accomplishment along the way, letting you remain motivated throughout the process. Short-term goals should be items that can help you in your current situation and move you towards your long-term goals. They should also provide an immediate benefit, like increasing productivity or improving mental clarity, such as saving $1,000 per month for a down payment on a house or car, paying off credit card debt, or building up an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Step 3. Make a new budget. Creating a budget is the most crucial step in achieving your financial goals. The purpose of a budget is to help you stay on top of your finances and ensure you are not overspending. Developing an efficient budget involves evaluating your income, expenses, debts, and savings to get an accurate picture of your financial health. Once you have gathered all this information, now is the actual creation of the budget itself. First, figure out what your monthly income is. That includes all sources of income such as salary, investments, or other forms of money coming in each month. Then note all the fixed costs like rent, utilities, and insurance and subtract them from the income. With what is left, separate into different buckets for various uses. Remember to put aside a lump sum of money every month into savings before putting money into other categories. Next, list all your variable expenses, for example, groceries or entertainment. It would be hard to predict the exact amounts to be spending on the variable costs, but at least try to be realistic. Get an average for each category and accounts for everything you can imagine. It is alright if you get it wrong the first few times, but predicting each type of expense to revisit in the future will become very beneficial. Finally, set limits on non-essential items such as eating out or shopping, and include an emergency fund for unexpected bills or emergencies that may arise throughout the year. Step 4. Track your progress. After creating your budget, you need to track how you do for the next few months and adjust accordingly when certain things continue to overspend or leave too much room for errors. You want to get the budget as close to where it needs to be so you can always predict how much you spend and save. Knowing where each dollar is going helps keep spending in check and allows for greater control over day-to-day financial decisions. There are many good ways to track your budget's outcomes, and one recommended way to keep track of your budget progress is to create a spreadsheet or use an app to input your income and expenses. With everything in one place and documented, it becomes much easier to stay on track. You will never get surprised without noticing them right away. Take the time to track your budget. Once you have the habit of tracking your finances, you will realize where you are spending all the money. It will become very obvious to you when you are overspending. Step 5. Adjust and reevaluate. Once you have tracked the monthly outcome of your budget, you need to analyze what happened. Look at what areas of spending deviates too much from your prediction and adjust accordingly. It is one essential step for anyone looking to get their finances in order. Make any necessary changes that allow you to stay within your budget in the future. It is easy to fall off track if you don't adjust and reevaluate the budget periodically, so monthly check-ins are the key. Also, to ensure you make wise decisions with your money, you need to review each area of spending. Try setting aside a day or two each month to revisit your accounts. Make sure everything is on track. This does not have to take long, but could save you a lot of hassle down the road. By reviewing and making adjustments to your budget to better estimate your spending and savings, you can be surprised about how much more you can save or how much more you need to spend to live a comfortable life. In conclusion, budgeting is challenging, but the more you do it, the easier it is to become second nature to you. Make it a priority if you still do not have a budget. Follow the 5 steps I outlined and make your financial goals a reality. Learning how to budget can take some time, but it will bring many rewards. With little practice and patience, mastering budgeting can help you achieve your financial goals and live a life free from worrying about your finances. Invest in yourself by committing to learn how to budget and make it happen. All it takes is one small step today to begin down the path towards financial freedom. Don't wait any longer. Start creating your new budget right away. With that in mind, we come to the end of the video. Make sure to share any thoughts on today's video in the comment section below. Hit the like button on this video and subscribe to Path Your Planet for more content. See you next time.